Okay guys, welcome back. So we're looking at NVDA again. So this stock is 2% today. Stock market is at all-time highs. S&P 500 hitting another record high today after yesterday's FOMC meeting. So everything is going crazy. NVDA, this level that I'm watching right here, right now for NVDA, give or take 928, but it's 927.67. That's the highest close it has ever closed during this run. Okay, I know all-time high is 974, but this is the highest close. Okay, highest closing price. So there's a rumor. I mean, there's a lot, right? A lot of people. You guys, before we just jump into all that, well, here's what I was watching a couple days ago, right? This is the downtrend right here on an hourly breaking out. If it does break out, I'm going to be watching 960, 1K. So right here, right now, well, after all that, I mean, IV, you got to be careful. Implied volatility will come down, and it's already coming down. It crashed a lot. So if it doesn't move at the pace as it moved before this move, I mean, just like here, if it doesn't keep gapping up, you're outside of the money options that you're buying are not going to appreciate as fast as it did before those two events that are already gone. So the only thing people are trying to price, I don't know, there's a speculation that right now people are running with the idea that stock split, this stock has to move. Okay, stock split, I mean, they can do it, no problem. But intrinsically, does it add any value to the company, stock split? No. But stock tends to go up off the news. Well, just like yesterday, right? Chipotle, CMG, they announced that they're going to do stock split, and stock jumped crazy high. So this is just pure speculation on NVIDIA's side. I mean, whoever is trying to trade it. But in terms of technicals, let me switch to daily chart. Well, we have to talk about the facts, and that's what we do. You got to stay objective and dynamic with the market. But I'm still, I'm not trading it, okay? But I'm still watching this name to test 50-day moving average at some point, okay? Am I fighting it right here, right now? No. Am I buying it? No. I'm shorting it? No. I'm buying puts? No. I'm buying calls? No. I'm not anticipating anything until it clearly shows me any sign of a trend. Right here, right now, last 10 trading sessions, does it show? It's not showing me any clean pattern. Yes, last 3 days, higher highs, higher lows, but it's not enough for me to jump on it. But this is a big level to break out. That's why I'm pointing it out, that 926, 927, this is the highest close it has ever closed. This was gap, gave it back, it closed right here. This was the second highest close right here, 920. So what's the market cap, by the way, right here, right now? 2.3 trillion. So those are the levels if it gets above 960. Options. There are a lot of options still being traded on this name, and implied volatility is still high for NVIDIA. But stock market in general is at its all-time highs, and it can just pull back any given time, 3, 4, 5%. But again, this is not me trying to convince somebody to sell or buy. This is just purely educational and entertainment. I'm just delivering what I'm thinking about this stock. Yes, it can run. Yes, this is 960 possible. Average true range for NVDA, $38 right now. So it can go up and down, $38 any given day. This is based on 14 days of price action, okay? It can come down. It will come down. It's been coming down, that range that I'm talking about. The range NVIDIA has been moving up and down. And that will cause your options, especially options that are far, far outside of the money, to decay fast despite stock moving higher. You can just go double check any stock, and especially if you have shorter dated calls and puts. That's what's happening with the orders. If you take a look at the activity of the option activity for the like just based on today's, I'm not seeing like purely people coming in attacking one certain strike price and thinking that, okay, so if I see something like that with any stock, when I see somebody like, let's say Nvidia, right? If I'm seeing $1,000 strike price being bought over and over throughout the day, yesterday, today, tomorrow, let's say, I will think that, okay, so this is people trying to gamma squeeze and take the stock over that level, and I would definitely join it. But I'm seeing just crazy orders all over the place. There are a lot of spreads, there are a lot of calls that are ultra short term for tomorrow, which is 1 day left, and there are a lot of spreads, but there's not like a clean like orders. Even let's say somebody bought 1050 for April 19th, right? So can't say anything about the option activity. It could be a bunch of premium selling, but this is the level I'm watching for NVDA. But as soon as SPY overall market takes a breath from here, this will go down. But that's the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.